filter because things are going to get very serious right now. And I'm going to tell you the best tool that I use and a lot of us social media experts people use. And I'm going to put it up here so you guys can screenshot it, okay? So I hope you enjoy these like interactions with the images and the video. I think it makes it all a lot more easier. Okay, so let me find it here for you. So here we go. Okay, so screenshot this. So everybody that's listening in, screenshot this because this has my referral link. But you guys cannot see the bottom part. I don't think you guys can see the end of my referral link. So give me a second. Let me copy. I'm back and here is my referral link. So guys, here we go. Copy paste the referral link that I've just put on my comments, okay? And what we're gonna do is we are going to use an app called Flick. And Flick is a tool that is so good for hashtags, and you are going to use it on desktop, and you are also going to use the mobile app. But this is what I want to tell you guys, okay? The mobile app is not doing what the actual tool is doing. So you want to use this tool on desktop, and you can also use it on your phone. So you can go into the desktop link on your phone. And I am going to show you now why this app is one of the best apps for hashtags. So I'm actually going to share my screen with you. So hold on. I'm going to rotate my camera. Here we go. And okay, I'm actually going to use my mug. I'm going to put it here. Okay, so you guys can see my screen, right? Okay, so I am now inside Flick Tech. Yep. And this is how it looks. Okay. And so now I am going to write something. For example, vegan. And now I am going to hit search and check out what happens here for you guys. We get all of the top most popular hashtags to do with vegan. And let's talk a little bit about some key best practice with hashtags. What you want to do with hashtags and for them to work really well for you is when you do your post on Instagrams, the hashtags really need to represent as close as possible to what you have on your caption and on your image. So a lot of you are always asking me, my hashtags are not working for me. Why? Maybe you are using hashtags that don't have anything to do with the image and the caption. So imagine if you have a picture of a dog and it's cuddling humans, for example. There's humans and they're cuddling a dog. All of your hashtags really need to be with things that are to do with that image and with the caption. So if I have a picture with dogs and humans and I am going to write, for example, social media marketing on those hashtag lists, the algorithm is not going to like that. So the Instagram algorithm really is going to pick up it's going to get the hashtags to work with you if they are so closely to everything you're writing on this post. So if we go back to this tool, what this tool does is it's going to find you all of the hashtags that are to do with the niche that you are looking for. But there's another trick. Here is the thing. A lot of you guys are always using big hashtags, like in the millions. If you are just using big hashtags, it's going to get real hard for the hashtags and you to get through. So this tool is really good because so let's say I am going to now choose vegano here. So I'm on vegano. The tool actually shows me how many average likes that hashtag has, and that's 2.4K. And also it's going to tell me that it's been 5.1 million posts made. So if this is on the million benchmark, This is huge, right? So maybe I don't want to be competing with such a huge hashtag. So what I can do is I'm going to click that bubble. I'm going to click the bubble and I can go inside and look for even more hashtags. Oh my God, aren't things getting sexy, guys? So now, now I can see sub hashtags related to vegan, and I can take a look and look, this is just so much more friendly. It's in the 30K benchmark, and I know that if I'm going to use hashtags that are more on the K benchmark, I am going to have a far better likelihood of those hashtags to work. Are you guys loving this? Okay, so here is what you can now do with this tool. Once you start, actually, let me go back and show you. Once you start selecting your hashtag, so let's say I'm going to select this one, 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 I'm going to select this one. Check what's happening here on my right-hand side. It actually tells me medium competition and high competition. So the tool is so good that it actually even tells me and helps me to tell me which hashtags are going to be of high competition, medium competition, and low competition. So the hashtag is doing all of this work for me. I mean, isn't this amazing? Seriously, revolutionary, right? Okay, so what do I want to tell you more about this? Two things. I'm trying to position my phone. Okay, what do I want to tell you? I want to tell you that I have a referral link. So I'm going to put it up here again. So here is my referral link. So make sure that you are using my referral link, because you're going to get a 30-day free trial. Oh my, I'm having technical difficulties today, guys. 1 second. Woo! How do I get rid of this now? Okay, I got you. So use my referral link and you get 30 days free. Now, what I also want to tell you is that this tool has an app. So you can save all of your hashtags in a list. So you can create lots of different lists. So I'm going to show you now how. Hold on. I'm going to show you now how. I'm going to show you how the app works, okay? So here it is one more time. Flick and check the comments for my referral link, okay? Incredible info. Yes, I'm glad you're loving it. So I'm going to show you next how you guys can use the app, because the mobile app is going to have all of your lists. What you want to be doing is creating hashtag lists. So check this out, guys. So here it is. Here is the app, Flick Hashtags. And check this out. These are my lists. So you guys, oh, Brazil, bem-vindo. So now you can see here at the top, I have my hashtag lists. And then when I am creating my posts on Instagram, all I got to do is copy paste and then paste it onto the post, like I am doing here on the screen record. So let's go through the screen record one more time, okay? So here is the list. Look at the lists that you are going to create. So you are going to create hashtag lists. Then you are going to post your post on Instagram. You are going to open the app. You're going to pick the best appropriate list. You're going to copy paste it into your Instagram, and voila. And over time, you're going to be creating more and more lists, because you are going to have different types of content. Isn't this amazing? Amazeballs. So one more time, take my referral link. These are all goodies that I have for you to give you, because I want to give you as much love. So here we go. Take my referral link. You get 30 days free. Use it on desktop, create lists, save those lists, and then you're going to use the mobile app to access those lists so you can be real fast and effective. Woo! How are we feeling? This was intense.